Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another free session, previous year question practice session. For our December 2023 examination, you have just 10 days left for your December 2023 examination, exactly from today, right? So make sure that you're focusing upon preparing, make sure that you're just focusing upon the most important pointers for your upcoming examination, right? Don't take stress, just be confident in your whatever you have covered and give your best shot in the upcoming examination. Just confirm whether the audio and the video is clear to you or not. We'll be discussing about a number of questions as we discussed yesterday also. So it will help you out in learning and understanding a lot of new concepts, right? And revising the new concepts also, right? So let's begin with the class now, right? So first thing first, before starting, if you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, make sure that if you're planning out for the June 2024 examination, you have we have a full course running for you all for the June 2024, in which live and interactive classes are going on. We have hard copy notes available which will be delivered to your doorstep. All the recordings, class PDFs are available, will be made available to you. We'll be providing you, like, every single day we practice out questions in the class, PYQ sessions, weekly tests, regular doubt session, etc. etc. All these things, every single thing will be provided to you in the single course at the most affordable pricing possible. That is 4949 only. So you can download our application from the iOS as well as from the Play Store, and you can get yourself enrolled in the course. For the December exam, we have a mock test series going on. So if you're like looking for a mock test series, you can enroll in this particular series as well. So this is the very first question for you all. The question is, based on the given data, select the correct statement. You're given this particular data for you, and you need to find out which of the following statement is correct. Species are given, and number of species in the P habitat and Q habitat is also given. You need to find out, based upon whatever information is given to us, what is the correct answer, what will be the correct answer over here, right? Community P has higher species diversity than Q, then community Q has a higher species diversity than P, then both of them have equal diversities. And fourth one, the data is not sufficient enough for us to find that out. Try it, everyone. Try the question. Easy question. Try the question, everyone. It's easy. Yesterday also I made you explain, like I explained the entire concept to you. Over here you have P species, over here you have Q species. Species P, and this is habitat P and this is habitat Q. So in the species, we have both of them having equal number of species. So now if you can recall, yesterday I told you that for finding out the species diversity, there are two aspects to study. First is your richness, and the second one is evenness, right? If you look into this particular question aspects over here, both of them have equal number of species, so richness is the same. Evenness will be differing because evenness means the number of individual of different type of species, what is the variation in that. So if you look into the P1, it is 59, 12, 44. 20, 11, 10, 2, 3, 5, like this. Over here, if you look, you have 21, 20, 23, 12, 19, 14, 1, 12, 13, 13. So if you look into it properly, you have a much more even variations, much more even habitat being here as compared to in the P1, right? So Q is having a much more diverse, or it has a much more species diversity as compared to the P. So B is the correct answer for this particular question. Very easy, very simple question, right? Community P has a higher species diversity than P. B is the correct answer. Next question, give it a try to this. The theory of island biogeography has synthesized into the theory of following concept, except for which of the following? That is, in the case of the island biogeography theory, which was given by MacArthur and Williamson, it's asking that what all concepts do we see in over here? What all concepts do you check or do you observe that are there in the island biogeography theory, except which one? So first is the competition, second is your in immigration, third is equilibrium, fourth is the speciation. Everyone try the question. Very good. Competition, immigration, equilibrium, speciation. Speciation is the formation of new organisms, new species. Right? It could be because of allopatric speciation, parapatric, peripatric, sympatric, any of them. Very easy question. D is the correct answer. Speciation is not a concept that we see in case of our island biogeography. Remember this. D is the correct answer. Next question. This one is from your developmental biology. Very simple again. This is from your sea urchins fertilization, external fertilization in sea urchin. So, following statements are made about the fertilization that is occurring in the sea urchins. Which of the following, one of the following options represents the combination of all correct statement? Five options in front of you. If you can recall about the concept of fertilization in the sea urchin, it's very easy, very simple. You can easily get 4 marks out of this. Try out the question, everyone. Then we'll solve it out together. Yes, everyone try the question. First option is chemoattraction of the sperm to the egg is mediated by sperm activating peptides like binding. Then exocytosis of the sperm acrosomal vesicles and the release of the enzyme occurs. Then you have the capacitated sperm undergoes acrosomal reaction. Fourth, acrosome protein mediating the critical species specific event is restart. Then you have the slow block of polyspermy is accompanied by cortical granule reaction. Four options: AB, ABT, BE, and ABC. Try the question, everyone. Very good, very good. So we need to find out all the correct statement. First option is chemoattraction is mediated by the sperm activating peptides. First, let's see the correct answer and then we will be understanding this. Yes, the correct answer is over here. The correct answer is option number C, not D. Okay, exocytosis of the acrosomal vesicle occurs and there is release of enzyme. That's correct. B is correct. And if you observe carefully, all the four statements is having D option in it. Then capacitated sperm undergoes your acrosome reaction, and then you have acrosome flow slow block is accompanied by cortical granule reaction. E is for sure correct. If E is correct, I can eliminate this and this. A, chemoattraction is of the sperm is mediated by sperm activating peptides like bindin. It is not always just, it is not a sperm activating one, it is for your what do you say, attraction. Okay, it's just for attraction, it is not going to activate the sperm. That is the restart that gets released. It is not activating, it is just for the attraction. So D or A option is wrong. And if I eliminate option number A, I can reach to my correct answer as option number C very, very easily. Right? Let's do one more. This is the next question for you all. The question is, you're given this graph depicting two possible dynamics of gene duplication events. You need to find out which of the following option represents the correct identity of A, B, C, and D. If you analyze the question carefully, it's not difficult. And when you have your examination so close, you should be very thorough with such questions. Try it, everyone. Well, try it out. Okay, let's see. Given below are graphs depicting two possible dynamics of gene duplication event over a period of time during the gene evolution, right? So it's showcasing the dynamics of your gene duplication event. You need to find out which of the, based on the above figures, which of the following options correctly represents A, B, C, and D. First option is A is representing the gene duplication event, then random loss, then random. Then you have the remaining pairs of the duplicated genes. Then you have the duplicated gene events, the remaining ones. Then you have B, C, D. If you observe carefully, if it's a dynamics of the gene duplication event, the very first event that should happen is what? It should be your gene duplication event itself. It's a very illogical question that they have asked. Okay, illogical in sense of, if you read the question carefully, there's no logic in creating this question. You should be very much smart enough in marking the correct answer. A is the correct answer for this question. Very simple, right? Very, very simple question. A is the correct answer for this particular question. I hope it's clear, right? Yes, those of you who are there in the class, is it clear to all? Right, so this is about this particular question. We'll do the remaining questions in the next class. I hope all the questions are clear. Let's take up the other remaining questions in our next class. I hope it was helpful. Good luck. Take care. Bye, everyone. Let's meet in the next class. And we have a full course running. If you wish to enroll, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled in the same. Let's meet in the next class. Bye, everyone.